Okay, in consideration of what we started, it will interest you to know that where I'm recording right now from, the one that we just recorded, the first one that was planted, I think that is about 250. Now, where the camera is pointing right now, let me zoom in. There is a hill, that hill that you see across over there, 800 plus is there. I'm going to zoom in all the way and turn the camera. I've turned the camera. Let me zoom in again. That other hill that you see over there, so beyond that hill to go down, we have 500 plus planted. So you see what you are talking about. So the project ongoing here is not something easy, and they are all growing well. And the most interesting aspect is that no fertilizer or whatsoever that you think an agricultural can use for this palm to grow. They just planted it and then it came out like this. Just how many years? 2 years going to 3 years. 2 years going to 3 years. So you see, we're not joking here. Okay, so you see here, from here, going to my right, I'm not talking about that where you have the Kobe, but going to the left side, where you have this one, you see, this is what I was planted almost 2 years plus now, and it bearing like this. You see how it wrap? See, going this way, that was planted 2 years, almost going to 3 years now. Now, I turn the camera, where I just turned the camera, the one that was planted last year, that's what I want to show you right now. And guess what? It's really, really, really growing. Just last year. See, you see, 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 all planted online. See, so the feet that's supposed to be in between, you see the feet in between. See, all online. See that all on? It's planted. So if you stand this way, you see it going. Turn around. You stand this way, you see it going. You stand here. Now look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this one. See, that is going so. If you stand this way, you see, so everything is planted in now, according to the way it's supposed to be. Just last year. See, while doing that, they get some small pineapple planted here also. Yeah. So, but we can't harvest that right now. Hasn't reached yet. See this one? So that whole area is planted. That whole area, all the land planted. Yeah. are coming, okay? We are not joking here.